Channel, and this is Emily, this is Helen, and this is Maniza. There is Maniza. What's that noise? Alright, so we're going to do something a little bit boring, but still, it's a little bit funny. We're just going to pretend, I don't know. No pretending, let's just do jump roping. Yeah, whatever. You're right. Alright, we're doing that. So, we're on it now.
Show that London has...
Give me the jump rope! Give me the jump rope!
Womp, womp, womp.
Starting from me. Shayla, I want the jump rope!
Hours later. Oh look, there's help behind you. There's a monster behind you.
Boy, there isn't.
Oh well. Now what? Now there's gonna be no. Now there's gonna be no jump rope or anything.
Where's the jump rope?
No one has no idea.
Here.
Let Helen jump rope.
Because this is my channel. Okay.
Let her jump rope.
Let her right now. Okay.
Yeah, then you.
We're doing jump ropes. So I don't know how to do jump ropes. We're doing activities.
What's that thing? It's stop. Get out.
Okay, I'm not good at this.
I'm good.
I'm good at this.
Emily's gonna do the jump rope. Rage quit.
Okay, my name is Emily.
Oh my God! Skip it! Skip it!
And I'm gonna jump rope.
Skip it now!
Just jump rope. Promo Jacker. Okay, your turn.
It's her turn. Yeah. Hold on, you got a special intro. Special intro. Oh my God. Special intro. Near that tree over there. Near that tree. Okay, forget it. Oh well, just carry on. Do the jump roping thing that you was doing. Do it. Well, but first say your intro.
My name is Maniza, and I'm gonna jump rope. There.
Wow.
More longer than me. Okay, guys. I might come back later, so I'm going to come back later.
Peace out.